little bit about me is I am 13 years old. I attend Randall Public School. I'm in the 8th grade, and I love singing, dancing, playing the piano, playing the flute. I love playing volleyball, basketball, and I love being a girl guide, and I love helping others. So I'm planning a virtual Black History Assembly for my school. I've came up with the idea of doing a virtual Black History Assembly. So basically in the assembly, I'm talking about like Black heroes. I'm sure we all know Martin Luther King, but there's also going to be some people that not everyone really knows, like Madam C.J. Walker, Shirley Chisholm. And I'm also focusing on Black excellence, like inventors, doctors, people who have made a difference in mostly Canada and in America. And I'm also talking about like the Markham Black Lives Matter protest, because that was an amazing thing that happened in our city. And I even got the opportunity to attend it, and it was an amazing experience. Attending the Black Lives Matter protest was one of the greatest things that has ever happened to me. Once I saw like the Black Lives Matter movement on the news and like on Instagram, Snapchat, then I saw that there was a Black Lives Matter protest happening in Markham. And I thought of the idea that me and my family should attend it, because we are all very passionate about the Black Lives Matter movement and that we should contribute to ending racism. It was very well organized. It was very peaceful. I met lots of new friends, some in the BYR youth group. And I even met the organizer of the protest, Sydney Baxter. She's in grade 12. And yeah, it was an amazing experience. And it's one I will never forget. And it's not only just for Black History Month, like all year round, Black History, I hope that'll like be acknowledged and appreciated after this. And I think it's really good what the York Region District School Board is doing. To end racial discrimination and injustice, I feel like many things could be done. I feel like in the history curriculum, we could learn about like a lot of Black inventors, and we could learn about Black culture, and we could learn about lots of Black people who have made positive impact throughout the world. During Black History Month, it's only 28 days, and I feel like that's not enough to spread the word and educate people on Black history and to educate people on the culture. What I'd say to the younger students is you're never too young to make a difference. If you have an idea, if you have a vision, go for it. If you have want to do something to make a positive impact in the world, maybe tell your parents about it, tell your friends, tell your teacher. And remember, no matter what age you are, you could always make a difference. Everyone is beautiful in their own way, and to make sure to treat everyone with kindness and respect, no matter what skin color they are, what culture they belong to, what race they are. Always make sure to treat people with kindness.